Matt Hancock announced on Monday that grandparents and other relatives in the North East would no longer be prevented from looking after children whilst their parents are at work. A U-turn on the controversial ban on enlisting family members for childcare under the North East lockdown measures has been hailed by Newcastle council leaders as a victory of common sense. Failure to include this childcare exemption in the initial lockdown measures sparked anger and confusion amongst families in the North East. Political leaders had also warned that parents would be forced to choose between working and looking after their children.
As a chamber, we've been campaigning for informal childcare to be included as an exemption on the informal rules around mixing houses. We've been campaigning for this, as originally the local authorities had asked for this to be made as an exemption on household mixing rules, but this wasn't originally picked up by Matt Hancock in his announcement in the House of Commons. So we've been working with local MPs and other business organisations in the region to really push the message that care and support and this informal network of family and friends is really important for the economy, especially for parents and for people who might be working in jobs with irregular hours. These arrangements really provide that flexibility for people. We've also seen lots of sole traders, new entrepreneurs who might be working long hours also need that support.
Local councils and North East political leaders had urged the government to grant this exemption to help struggling families during this difficult time.
As many of the local authorities have picked up on, one of the key areas is for people who might not be able to afford formal childcare, especially for younger children, and we're aware of the financial situation that many families will be under in these circumstances. So we're really pleased to see that the Health Secretary has now made this exemption on and has acknowledged the role that informal care and support plays within our economy.